Hey everyone, I'm Jackie Newell, founder and lead designer over at Basil Tate, an interior design firm here in Denver, Colorado. We're here at the Riley project and we completed this project a couple months ago, and it was an entire house renovation, so really no surface was left untouched. We moved and reconfigured some walls up in the master bedroom area. In all the other rooms and all the other spaces, we replaced everything from flooring to trim work to the entire kitchen and everything. So come with us and we'll show you around. To kick things off, we are here in the kitchen. We did an entire gut job of this kitchen. So we replaced everything from the cabinetry to the countertops to the backsplash to the lighting to the appliances. There was no surface left untouched here. We made their eating area larger, the island larger, just to accommodate a large family and make everything family friendly while still keeping it really pretty. We made a huge change here in the dining room. This room used to be the formal living room, and so we wanted to convert it to a dining room, and it was feeling too big, so we actually added the fireplace that you see behind me. So that was not there before, and it helped make the room feel cozier. It actually made it a little bit smaller, but it made it more intimate for a dining area. This amazing chandelier was a game changer in here that we absolutely love it. We've got the vaulted ceilings, and so we needed something big and a statement piece, and that did the trick. The other thing that we love is the gallery wall that we have. Our clients really wanted a coastal vibe, but not too beachy-ish, and so we actually found some vintage coastal art, and so it's more toned down hues and a little bit more earthy than just blue and white and seashells and whatnot. We are over in the living room now, where we were able to add some pops of color. We kind of started out with this artwork that we found behind us and loved the earth tones in it, and so we carried that into the throw pillows here. The other big thing that we did in the living room was give the fireplace a makeover. So it had a lot of the 1980s brick. We got rid of some of the brick, and then we actually refaced some of the brick with stone, and now we have an entirely new fireplace that turned out absolutely gorgeous. The primary suite was where most of the construction took place, because we actually took down walls. We converted one bedroom into their primary bath area so that they were able to have a primary suite that was more suited to their needs. We also vaulted the ceilings, and that makes a huge difference in a space. And it takes it really from a builder grade home and customizes it, because you do not walk into very many homes like this and in these areas of town that have vaulted ceilings, so it was huge. We were able to start fresh with a blank slate with the furniture, and so we were again kind of trying to capitalize on this coastal vibe, and so we have some light wood, white oak-ish furniture. We went with kind of a neutral color palette, but then popped the blues to make it feel a little bit more coastally, but again, we didn't want it kitschy coastally, and so even like the pillow and whatnot just looks a little bit more vintage and brings in some warmer colors. In the primary bathroom, we vaulted the ceilings, and it made a huge difference. This bathroom feels ginormous now and feels very luxurious. We weren't left with a ton of counter space with the way that we configured it, but we really wanted to put drawers in the vanity. So I love the way that you get and the symmetry that you get with the drawers in the vanity here. We opted for the thicker countertops that always looks very high end. We went with more of like a patinaed brass look that I think is fabulous. And behind you is the shower, so I'm going to show you that because that turned out so cool. Ta-da! This shower turned out better than we had even hoped, and it's all about the tile. The tile itself was beautiful, but nothing like crazy special, but just the way that we did our grout pattern elevated it and gives it an entirely different look and very high end. So you can see that we varied the grout line. So we have a horizontal grout line after every tile that's thick and catches your eyes and creates these stripes in the bathroom that look beautiful. And then we kept the vertical grout line super skinny so that those weren't as obvious. I think it turned out amazing. In the Riley's home office, we were able to design and have built these custom built-ins back here, and they are everything. We love how they turned out. It was very important to us and the homeowners that we had a lot of closed storage so that they were able to maximize storage space and have the closed doors so that we didn't see all the clutter that comes in an office. That also allowed us to use actually a small dining room table as a desk, so it gave our clients plenty of surface area to be able to work because all of the storage is behind them. And obviously we left a giant spot in the middle that is the focal point of the room, and we're able to place a beautiful piece of artwork. here in the Riley's laundry room. We wanted to keep it beautiful but also very functional, and so we actually decided to center the washer and dryer so that we could frame it with floor-to-ceiling cabinetry, one of my favorite pieces. And things to do is to have two different depths. Our base cabinets are deeper than our upper cabinets, and then we're able to have that sitting on the countertop. It also allows for more cabinetry space, so a lot of times you just see cabinets mounted at the top, and here we were able to capitalize on that and maximize storage space there. One of my other favorite things is that we used an untraditional clothing rod to hang clothes, and our clients hang and air dry a lot of their things, so they needed even more space than that. So over here we found some wall mounted drying racks, and so our clients can use these as well and just grab their little hangers and can hang stuff here and have 3 times the drying space too. And last but not least is the floor. We did a herringbone pattern with brick on the floor, and I love the texture that it pulls into this space and plays really well with the grayish bluish finish that we picked for the cabinets. All right, that's a wrap on the Riley project. We loved completing this project, we loved our homeowners, and we love how it all came together. If you are looking for some help, whether you're furnishing a house, or remodeling a house, or building a house from the ground up, please check us out. Our website is www.basilandtate.com. We would love to chat and see if we could be the right fit for your next project.